What's up everyone? So in today's video, actually tomorrow, I'm going on the another car meet. And this time, this specific car meet is in a city quite far away from here. I've never been to that place. And they will have some sort of autumn festival or something like that. I have no idea what that's gonna be. But they are inviting a group of mustangs to do some sort of parade. Yeah, let's go. Always nice to see the mustangs in other car meets in general. Before any event, any car meet, first thing I'll do is always wash the car, make sure it's perfect for the day, always clean, always shiny. Car's looking pretty great. Just finished right now, quite late in the afternoon now. Finish the car, but I had the idea to do 2-in-1 for you. So this video I'll show the car meet and the autumn festival and some sort of Mustang parade. Stay tuned, that sounds quite interesting. We're gonna discover together tomorrow. But also I had to clean the whole car, and I have two new products that I would like to test. So yeah, good opportunity to test those products, see what it is, see how those products work. Do some sort of like review of what I think about the product, and let's see how the products can enhance the car for the show tomorrow. Okay, cool. So I have two products to test. First one, this one, aluminium polisher. So let's try to apply this one to the exhaust tips. Let's see if it makes any difference. So just following directions here, just apply on the cloth and then do circular motions until some black residue, and then just wipe it off. Okay, let's try on the exhaust tips for this one first. And then I also have the second one, these Chemical Guys VIP for vinyl, rubber and plastic protection. So I'll apply in the body front bumper thingies in the Mustang, so the Shelby front bumper. They have a lot of those kind of plastic trims all around. Let's try that. Let's see if it makes any difference, any visible difference. The idea is to protect for the touch, repel dirt and water, and long-lasting protection. Doesn't mention anything about shine or anything like that. Let's try. Let's see how it works. But first, let's go to the exhaust tips. So the way the product works, as it says in the instructions on use, you just add a little bit of that paste into a soft cloth. I'll put in two places. You're gonna see why in a minute. Again, really hope the quality is not horrible, but yeah, let's go. So here is the cloth with two thingies, kind of soft material, some sort of cream or something like that, or paste. So I'll pass that into the actual aluminium tip. Okay, let's see if we can have a look around. Yeah, that one still looks dirty. Yeah, looks okay. It makes a tiny bit of a difference, not too much to be honest. Okay, I'm back. So, do I think the product is worth it? Probably not. Only if it's quite cheap, or you have a better compound that does like a better cleaning out together, or like a better polish. If you have any idea, any suggestion, comment down below. I've never seen that brand before. The brand is actually in German, so I think it's a weird product they are testing here in Australia. Doesn't make a lot of difference. It makes it a little bit shinier, a little bit more like mirror-like, but it doesn't really remove any scratches or anything. So probably we need a better, stronger compound to polish properly. To touch up here and there, maybe. Only if it's quite cheap. This one, definitely a pass. I remember being somewhat expensive. Let's go to the next one then. The next one, testing the all plastic surfaces and see if we can use that thing to polish and maybe remove some scratches and protect the whole plastic area from dirt and water spots and stuff like that. So let's apply, see if it even makes any visible difference, and we'll come back again. Yeah, okay, so second product, this one, thinner rubber and plastic protection. Pretty much same application as the other one, just a little bit to a soft cloth, and then wipe in the car. A little too much. Jesus, how to do it now? Okay, so just apply this in the plastic surfaces of the car. So for example, I'll use in the side skirt. Apply this in the whole thing, so you will protect from all the dirt and all the water spots and other residues. Let's see if it makes any visible difference as well. I would like to have something that will kind of pop a little bit with the plastic again, and maybe remove some scratches. I do have some scratches here and there. Okay, here's the product. Let's go. Okay, so at first sight, it looks barely noticeable. So it's a little bit more glossy, but not too much. And the good thing, it protects. It looks very uniform. I think I applied it really well. Not sure if it removed any scratches or anything, but looks nice. Okay, so I applied that on the side skirt. It looks okay, it doesn't change too much. It looks a little bit more glossy, but the nice thing, it protects and doesn't remove any scratches, doesn't make them any noticeable. Cool, now I have to do it all around the car, and that's pretty much it for today. Ready for tomorrow, very early morning, to go on a road trip and then to a car show, autumn festival and Mustang parade or something like that. Check it out tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. This is now Sunday. Car ready to go. Actually, the products from yesterday, so the plastic polish cover kind of thing, works really well. He actually made it a little bit more glossy. Looks quite nice, isn't it? The exhaust tips and the aluminium polisher didn't make a lot of difference. Let's go have a look. So you can see, not sure if you can see on camera, but all the plastic parts of the bumper are quite shiny and glossy now. Looks pretty good. Looks brand new. The whole car is sparkling. Cool, right? Let's go to the exhaust tips. See how it looks outside in the sun. Yeah, looks alright. Not incredible, but yeah. Looks at least decent. Always had issues. It always was kind of all dirty and with some stains. Now at least it's clean. Cool, so let's jump in and get on the road. Okay, just got here. Looks like we have 3 Mustangs. Pretty cool Shelby wheels on this red one. Let's park the cars. Well, nothing to see here. Ignore the electric Mustang. It looks weird. Not sure if it should be called Mustang. If they do a similar form factor as the normal V8 Mustang and just chuck an electric engine, should be alright. But yeah, this one, it's weird. So it turns out I ended up in the actual car parade for the autumn festival. The whole event looks like one of those Renaissance fair, like farmers market kind of fair. There are some kids, music. There's like 2 guys in a full plate armor, like with joust lenses and everything, the full shebang. It's quite cool. What else? There's scouts, some really cool old cars, vintage, service dogs, wheelchair parade, and a few other things. Pretty cool. Yeah, so let's go through the actual parade, and then after that we'll go around and see what's in the actual event.
The Western Mustang Club is in the parade this year. Great to welcome them as well. You can't, aren't they great, those muscle cars? You can't beat a Mustang muscle car, can you? The Mustangs, it's a group that's dedicated to Mustang owners in Melbourne's West. They have social events. They basically drive around and they tour around. They explore the open roads in our district, and they basically cover the whole West. So some stunning looking Mustangs there. Great to have them along. The first Ballan Scout group.
Action. Get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All underway. Still a little bit of trouble in there. Stopping up. Checking on the braking jack. The back marker. Nancy on the way. Lance is going quite strong there in the middle. Tails around. Lance here along. Steady going. Nice bit of hard work too. Dale's going to the drive. Lance going to the drive. Lance is off.
Hey, just got back home. That's it. That's Ballan. Very small town, very kind of charming small town with their own market and autumn festival. It was quite cool. Really nice place. Interesting for a visit outside of the main autumn festival event. Just to see, it's a really nice town. Probably not a lot to do in there, but really nice to visit in the countryside of Victoria in Australia. Got a lot of compliments on the purple color shifting from the Mustang. It was one of the stars of the show in there. Nice event, nice people, really cool, cozy place to stay in the weekend or something like that. Cool, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you like what you saw, consider drop a like, subscribe, comment here what else should I be looking for. If you are from Australia, especially Victoria, is there any other cool cozy places that I could go? Recommend down below. Thank you so much. See you next time.